To add an actor to a Stencyl game, under Resources, on your dashboard, click on Actor Types. There, you will have two choices: to click on the area "This game contains no actor types," or to press the green Create New button. When either are pressed, Stencyl will then ask you to name your character. Go ahead and type in the name, and then hit the Create button at the bottom. This will take you to the actor animation screen. Click on the area "This actor type contains no animations," which will bring you to the actor's appearance screen to start building your actor's animations. Presently, you will see that your actor has no animations inside of Animation 0. Click on the "Click here to add frame" area to start the animation process. At this screen, click on Choose Image to locate your character's sprite sheet inside of your computer and get the process started. Once you locate your sprite sheet, double-click on it to load it into Stencyl. Once your sprite sheet loads, you will have to tell Stencyl how to slice up your sprite sheet so that your animations are even and does not get cut off. To do so, count the animations of the largest row, left to right, and then of the largest column, top to bottom. Enter the numbers you get inside of the column and row boxes at the top of your screen. You should now start to see square boxes surrounding each animation of your character evenly. These will be used to animate your character frame by frame. Don't forget to click Add when you are done. Your sprite sheet has now been sliced into one continuous action. You now have to build the individual animations that your character may have. For example, walking, jumping, standing still, etc. To help to do so, you have 4 buttons at the bottom of your screen. The plus button creates a blink animation. The minus button deletes or removes an animation. The star button sets an animation as a default, and the double boxes will allow you to duplicate any selected animation. Let's build our first animation. Go ahead and click on the plus button at the bottom. You will now see that you have two sets of animations, Animation 0 and Animation 1, but Animation 1 is presently empty. Click on Animation 0 to view all the frames within your sliced sprite sheet. The very first animation that we will build is our walking left animation. Let's start this by locating the frame that starts this animation. In this example, it is frame 117. Select this frame, then click on Copy Frame at the bottom of your window. Next, click on Animation 1 and hit the Paste Frame button to paste the copied frame. You will now see your animation start to take shape. This process will have to be repeated for each of the frames that will make up the walking left animation. For this example, I believe walking left consists of frames 117 to 125. Remember the process. First, select Animation 0, copy frame of choice, then select Animation 1 and paste frame. From the frames we have pasted, we have now built an animation of our actor walking left. But it is still called Animation 1. Let's rename it by clicking on the Name box inside of the Properties window and typing Walking Left. This will help us when using this animation later on in Stencyl. Now to build the walking right animation. Luckily, we don't have to follow that one-by-one copy and paste process all over again. With the walking left animation selected, go ahead and click on the Duplicate Animation button at the bottom of your animation pane. This will make a copy of the walking animation. Let's go ahead and rename it Walking Right. Now look at the bottom right-hand corner of your window. Do you see that gear button? Go ahead and click on it. Look at these 4 options that we can use to do some interesting things with our animations. Flip horizontal, flip vertical, rotate clockwise, and rotate counterclockwise. Go ahead and hit the flip horizontal option. Look how the animations have been flipped toward walking in the right direction. You can use all these techniques we discussed in this video to build all the animations in your Stencyl game. Experiment a little and watch how you can build some amazing things.